Yo, what's up everybody? It's Ecom Millionaire Strategies. Who doesn't want to be an e-commerce millionaire? Private jets, dream houses, the whole 9 yards. And the craziest part? It's totally achievable in just 90 days. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. This right here, this is the real deal, and I'm going to break down the exact blueprint you need to follow. Want to hit 7 figures in e-commerce in just 90 days? It's not luck, it's strategy. Let's go. First things first, you need a killer product. Forget passion projects. We're talking about products in high demand but with low competition. TikTok and AliExpress are goldmines for spotting trends early on. Look for products with thousands of orders but less than 500 reviews. Validate your findings using Google Trends to see if the demand is growing. Run a small ad campaign between $100 to $200 to confirm market interest. Pro tip: look for products that solve a problem or fulfill an emotional need. You found your winning product, congrats! Now, let's build you an online store so sleek, customers will be throwing their money at their screens. We're going with a one-product store strategy. Your entire website is laser-focused on that one amazing product. High-definition images, compelling copy, urgency, and social proof are key. Offer irresistible bundles or discounts to encourage extra spending. Set all of this up in a day using Shopify's free trial. Now, let's talk about getting those sales rolling in with TikTok. Create 3 to 5 different video ads in that classic TikTok style. Start broad with targeting and focus on interests related to your product. Kill the losers fast. If an ad isn't delivering a return on ad spend of at least 2 within 48 hours, pause it. When you find a winner, duplicate it and crank that budget up to $1,000 per day. Paid advertising is amazing, but let's not forget about the power of free traffic. TikTok and Reels are your new best friends. Post 3 times a day showcasing your product in action. Think before and after transformations or problem-solved style videos. Reach out to 50 micro-influencers and offer them free products in exchange for a poster story. Don't underestimate the power of Reddit and online forums. Engage and subtly promote your product. This is about building trust and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. You're making sales, but you can't build a $1 million empire working 24/7. Automate your order fulfillment process with dropshipping platforms like Deezers or CJ Dropshipping. Hire a virtual assistant to handle tasks like customer service, ad testing, and social media management. This frees up your time to focus on growing your business. Reinvest those profits. Test new products every 2 weeks. This is how you build a sustainable, long-term business. Comment ecom below if you're ready to commit today. So there you have it, the exact blueprint to building an e-commerce empire and making your first million in just 90 days. Start today, even if it's just taking that first step of finding your winning product. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Check the link in my bio for my free training, which goes even deeper into these strategies. Be sure to check out my next video, where I reveal how I made $50,000 in a week with dropshipping.